Hi folks, happy Saturday. I just got done goofing off here, and some of what we did is going to be interesting to you guys. It has to do with adapting the pitching machine, the MLB pitching machine that we saw, and how we wanted to do it with an instant trigger, so the cause and effect works. We got distracted and goofing off this afternoon at the office, and we made one, and it works. I'm going to show you how it works. This is not a guide. What I'd probably like to do is to send this up to one of our groups, maybe WeSee, because I know Lisa Wick worked a ton on this device at our Make-a-thon. But I'd like to get somebody else to write this up well, but it's a decent little video, and we had a lot of fun shooting it and goofing off on a Saturday night here. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, and hope you have a great weekend. Bye. All right, so this is a test of a baseball pitching machine. And rather than wire the motor, we put a solenoid here. And so the solenoid holds the ball up. And then when we hit the switch, in this case, a little bitty switch, when we hit the switch, it will move that in and allow the balls to fall. So let's take a look at how it works. Go ahead.
You want to show the ticky-tack?
Oh, okay. So in order to do this, I had to cut off the paddles from this wheel. And then once I did that, it no longer detected a ball was ready. So I had to put a little piece of ticky-tack to hold the wheel in place so that it thinks there's a ball in there. I can go into more details on that. All right, this time I'm going to watch from this side. You can see I have a screw here that holds it. I actually think one with a rounded head might help. It might be catching a little here. So it's now ready, and Miss Lori is going to turn it on. So now the wheels are spinning. And let's watch close when she hits the button. Look at that.
Let's turn it a little that way.
All right, let's see. Go ahead, do it one more time. Again. Beautiful. And it's like instant. Alright. So just to show how this is put together, so this is I think this is the medium solenoid from Adafruit. It is a 12-volt solenoid, which is part of the problem with this setup right now. And it's got a M3 hole at the end that you can stick a screw in and attach something to. In this case, we're just attaching the screw, but you could actually put some Instamorph on the end of that screw to get a slightly different shape to it. The way solenoids work is that when power is given to it, it will pull this in. It's got an electromagnet. It will pull that in, which is what is letting the ball fall. So that goes to, on one end, a makeshift 3.5mm jack. So we can put in any kind of switch we want. I'll probably try one. These are handmade ones that we have, but any standard AT jack will work. From there, it goes to a 12-volt battery pack. Now, this is a hacked-up version that I did. You can plug it into the 12-volt wall outlet if you have a jack. It goes into here. This is like a standard 12-volt jack. Okay, now, the reason that I'm not a huge fan of the setup right now is that this doesn't need to be a 12-volt solenoid. It should be a 6-volt solenoid or a 5-volt solenoid. And if it did, it could actually use the battery power from the bottom of the device. Either way, having 3 or 4 AA batteries is a lot easier than having 8. So this is 8 AA batteries, which powers that and makes it work.
Turned on. Bill's ready. I got my switch. Ready? Here we go.
Ready. Come on. No, let's outside. Okay. Hit the button. Hey. Let's do it again. It's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. Alright, do it again. Oh, too short.
One more.
One more. Oh, man.
get the good ones.
Yeah, we'll edit that. All right, Lori's turn. Turn it on. It's kind of terrifying, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna go.
First one, you want to flinch.
You gonna go 3, 2, 1. Yes. You want me to do that? All right, 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Yay!
Get over here.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Nice.
It's a good one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It's outside. I know I'm not gonna tell you. We're gonna do it like you did it to me. Just randomly. Ready? It's a little scarier that way, isn't it? Hey, on the TV. All right, so here we go. We have a new batter. Here's Chris. Came over to return our pickup truck, and now he's a stand-in. I am smart. I'm behind the screen because we just did this and I almost got killed. All right, you ready?
Turning it on.
Oh, come on. You got to swing at him. Oh, Jesus.
That's
Good.
awesome.
All right, I might have flinched.
2, 1.
Nice.
Wow, that's awesome.
All right, hold on. All right, we're ready. There you go. Go inside. Is that it?
No, there's one more.
Oh, there's one more. All right, let's see.
Yay.
Right there, they're coming at you. They see. That's so sad.
I thought that was it.
I know.
Ready?
Yep. That's kind of.
Thanks for hitting